Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to set up multiple desktops in Windows 11. So, in order to do that, you have to click on the task view icon here on the taskbar near the search string. You will see open tabs in chosen desktop, and you will see down below here new desktop button. Click on it and you'll create new desktop, and you can create many of them. So you have created multiple desktops in Windows 11, but what you can do to distinguish them better? It's easy. First way is to rename your desktops. In order to do that, you have to right click on desktop and press rename button. For example, I want my first desktop to be for the work, and second desktop will be for my hobbies. Answer. Second way is to change backgrounds in different desktops. In order to do that, you have to right click desktop, choose background, and you will go to the settings application. Important remark that you can choose different backgrounds for different desktops only in case if you have chosen the picture option for your personalize your background option. So here I have picture, and I will choose this bright image for my hobbies desktop. And now click on the task view. I can better distinguish my hobby desktop from others. And third way is to change order of your desktops in task view application. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.